Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Malwarebytes real-time protection and exclusions, full guide step by. To enable real-time protection in Malwarebytes, start by launching the application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the Dashboard tab on the left side of the screen. Look for the Real-Time Protection section. You will see a toggle switch next to Real-Time Protection. Click on the toggle switch to turn it on. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Confirm that you wish to enable real-time protection by clicking Yes or OK. Once activated, you should see a green check mark indicating that real-time protection is enabled. Next, to set up exclusions, go to the Settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, click on the Exclusions tab on the left side. Here, you will see an option to add exclusions for files, folders, or websites. To add an exclusion, click on the Add button. Select whether you want to exclude a file, folder, or a website. For files or folders, browse to their location on your device. Select the desired file or folder and click Open. For websites, enter the URL you wish to exclude in the provided field. After adding the exclusion, click Add Exclusion to finalize the process. Repeat the steps if you need to add more exclusions. Once you are finished, close the Settings menu. You will return to the dashboard where your exclusions will be displayed. Regularly review your exclusions to ensure your system remains secure. With real-time protection and exclusions set up, your device is now better protected against threats. For more personalized settings, explore additional options in the Malwarebytes settings menu. Always ensure your Malwarebytes application is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. By following these steps, you can easily manage real-time protection and exclusions in Malwarebytes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.